whenever you're pitching, whether it's a product, your startup, any idea you have, and you pitch it to a friend who has no idea what you do, we really want to be able to understand the general idea of what it is. So we have to put ourselves through this test of explain it fully, see what they get out of it, and if they don't get what we want them to get out of it, we messed up somewhere. We have to adjust.
I would say actually a 7 according like to finish.
Alright,
I just want to say 10.
and I went through this whole process of having an idea, launching something, and learning from it in one day. But in the end, we want to fall in love with the problem this weekend. So I thought, my heart's not in it. I can't possibly do well here if my heart's not in this. Everyone feels these nerves when they go up and they start presenting. So I suggest we think about how else can we get this energy to come out. We can feel the nervous energy on our first pitch when we tell the story. It helps us to feel the customer's problem more. And then we can just take a beat and then say our solution. And we usually feel a little more grounded.
To find